everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Android phone is not downloading and installing apps on it. So we have the Google Play Store open right there. If this isn't working, just go to the top right. Just make sure you're connected to the internet. So I can see under Wi-Fi I'm connected. Okay, and then sometimes airplane mode might be on. This will disconnect you from your mobile data. So make sure this is off, and then you got mobile data right here. Just make sure this is turned on too. You can see it's grayed out. That means it's not on. But then let's go to settings. Scroll on down, and we're looking for device care. So I think I might have passed it. So just go up. Here it is, device care, and this will allow us to see our storage. So if we don't have enough storage on our phone, we won't be able to download any additional apps. So you can see I have plenty of space on here. I have 36 gigabytes out of 120 gigabytes. So plenty of space. Now, if you don't have enough storage space, you're going to have to delete some of these applications so you can download more apps. So your phone should be telling you this. Otherwise, you're going to have to go to your apps and start uninstalling them or delete some pictures and stuff. Now, another thing you want to do is if the Google Play Store just simply is not working, go up to apps. So let's go back to the main settings menu. Go to apps right here. Here's apps. Tap this. And then scroll on down, and we want to go to the Google Play Store. Google Play Store, let's find it. Here's the G's. Google Play Store. Here. Go to the top right and go to the dots. Go to uninstall updates. Then go to OK. This isn't going to sign you out. You're logged in with your Google account. Then we can go to where it says storage. And then we can clear the cache. And then we can clear the data down here. If we don't have that option, that's fine. And then look down here. So if it says disabled, you do have the option to disable and enable the Google Play Store. So if it's just missing, make sure you have it enabled down here at the bottom. Then we can go to open. And it should open up the Google Play Store, and it will prompt you to update it in the background. So this should look like this. We can skip this. No, thank you. Not now. And then we're back on the Google Play Store. And this should prompt it to download now. We can go up to the top right, go to our profile, manage apps and devices. And we should be able to look at this. And here's some free space here, but we can check for recent updates and just see if there's any updates for our apps now. And pending downloads. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.